You might not notice it at first, but your legs could be losing strength. One day, standing up from a chair feels harder. After months, climbing stairs drains you. Simple tasks become a challenge. This isn't just aging, it's muscle wasting. A silent, gradual threat often overlooked, but there's hope. You can prevent it with the right foods. This guide reveals 6 powerful foods to keep your legs strong, maintain mobility, and help you stay active for years. Stick with us to discover how small dietary changes can make a big difference. Why leg strength matters. Your legs are your foundation. When they weaken, your risk of fall skyrockets. Mobility fades, balance falters, and a single fall can lead to hospital visits, fractures, or loss of independence. The good news? You can avoid this. While exercise is key, nutrition is just as critical. As you age, your body needs specific nutrients to maintain muscle mass, support bone health, and keep your legs strong. Let's explore 6 foods that can transform your leg strength and overall vitality. Food. 1. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse for your muscles, delivering sustained energy to keep you moving. Unlike processed carbs like white bread, which cause energy spikes and crashes, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. This steady fuel keeps your muscles energized all day, preventing fatigue during tasks like walking or carrying groceries. Aging slows your body's ability to store and use energy, making everyday activities feel harder. Sweet potatoes counter this with their rich nutrient profile. They're packed with vitamin A, an antioxidant that repairs muscle tissue, reducing soreness and speeding recovery. This means less stiffness and more fluid movement, keeping your legs responsive. Chronic inflammation, a major cause of muscle loss, also threatens leg strength. Sweet potatoes fight this with beta-carotene, which reduces oxidative stress that damages muscles and joints. They're also high in potassium, essential for muscle contractions, nerve signals, and hydration. Low potassium can lead to cramps, weakness, or falls, but sweet potatoes help keep your muscles coordinated and strong. Gut health is another key factor. Without proper nutrient absorption, your muscles starve. Sweet potatoes' fiber supports digestion, ensuring your body efficiently uses proteins, vitamins, and minerals to maintain muscle strength. Add sweet potatoes to your diet by roasting, mashing, or blending them into smoothies, soups, or salads. They're versatile, delicious, and won't leave you feeling heavy like processed carbs. Food. 2. Oats may seem like a plain breakfast option, but they're a secret weapon for stronger legs. As you age, your legs tire faster, stairs feel daunting, and standing for long periods exhausts you. This isn't just aging, it's a lack of sustained energy and poor muscle fuel. Oats, with their low glycemic index, release energy gradually, avoiding the crashes caused by refined grains. This keeps your legs powered for longer without sudden fatigue. Oats also provide plant-based protein, crucial for maintaining and repairing muscle fibers. Without enough protein, your muscles weaken, leading to instability and balance issues. Oats support muscle repair, helping you stay steady. They're also rich in iron, which boosts oxygen delivery to your muscles. Low iron can cause weakness or lightheadedness, making your legs feel sluggish. By improving circulation, oats ensure your muscles get the oxygen they need to perform. Magnesium in oats is another game changer. It prevents cramps, spasms, and that heavy leg feeling, keeping your muscles relaxed and functional. If you've ever woken up with a leg cramp, your body might be craving magnesium. Oats are an easy fix. Incorporate oats beyond boring porridge. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle over yogurt with berries, or bake into homemade energy bars. Daily, oats fuel your legs with the nutrients they need to stay pain-free, strong, and energized. Don't underestimate this simple grain. It's a cornerstone for lasting mobility. Food. 3. Avocados. Avocados are more than a trendy food. They're a key to stronger, pain-free legs. While protein is vital for muscle health, healthy fats are often overlooked. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation, a hidden enemy that causes stiffness and discomfort as you age. These fats keep your joints supple and your legs moving smoothly. Potassium, found in higher amounts in avocados than in bananas, supports muscle contractions and prevents cramps. Low potassium can cause sudden tightness or weakness, disrupting balance and mobility. Avocados ensure your muscles contract properly, making every step feel steady. Vitamin E in avocados acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscles from oxidative stress and daily wear. This reduces long-term muscle damage, speeds recovery, and keeps your legs resilient. Avocados also improve circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles for better endurance and less fatigue. Add avocados to your diet effortlessly. Spread them on toast, blend into smoothies, make guacamole, or toss into salads. Even a simple sprinkle of salt and pepper makes them a tasty snack. Daily avocado consumption reduces stiffness, boosts flexibility, and strengthens your legs for confident movement. Food. 4. Berries. Aging is inevitable, but losing leg strength isn't. Oxidative stress, an invisible force, damages muscles and joints daily, causing stiffness, discomfort, and gradual weakness. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries are packed with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, protecting your muscles and speeding recovery. This keeps your legs strong and agile. Chronic inflammation erodes mobility, making every step harder. Berries' anti-inflammatory compounds reduce joint pain, improve flexibility, and prevent conditions like arthritis or muscle atrophy. They're also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production, the protein that keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. As collagen production declines with age, berries help maintain joint smoothness and muscle resilience. 4. Maximum benefits. Eat berries daily. Add them to yogurt, blend into smoothies, or enjoy fresh as a snack. Cook them into a compote for a naturally sweet topping. Berries also enhance brain function, improving memory and focus, so they support both physical and mental strength. Don't skip this simple food. It's a powerful ally for pain-free, strong legs. Food. 5. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritional superstar for keeping your legs strong and pain-free. Its high-quality protein provides the building blocks your muscles need to repair and stay robust. As you age, muscle regeneration slows, making tasks like climbing stairs or standing up harder. Salmon counters this by supporting muscle repair, keeping your legs powerful. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are a game changer. They reduce inflammation, easing joint pain and stiffness that hinder movement. They also improve blood flow, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay energized. Better circulation means less fatigue and stronger legs. Omega-3s also enhance nerve function, keeping your legs responsive and quick. Slowed nerve signals can make movements feel sluggish, but salmon keeps those connections sharp. Plus, its B vitamins, especially B12, boost energy production, preventing weakness and fatigue. Salmon also supports heart health, improving blood pressure and cholesterol, which ensures your legs get a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood. You don't need salmon daily. 2 or 3 servings a week make a difference. Grill, roast, or add it to salads. For a quick meal, mix canned salmon with lemon juice and spices. Pair it with avocado and greens for a nutrient-packed dish. Salmon rebuilds muscle, reduces inflammation, and boosts endurance, keeping you active and confident. Food. 6. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse for leg strength, favored by athletes and doctors alike. They contain complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, perfect for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. As muscle mass naturally declines with age, eggs help halt this loss, keeping your legs strong and your balance steady. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, crucial for muscle strength and coordination. Low vitamin D levels are linked to weak muscles, poor balance, and higher fall risks. Many people are deficient without knowing, leading to joint pain and fatigue. Eggs provide a natural source of this vital nutrient, keeping your legs functional and your bones strong. Choline, another key nutrient in eggs, supports nerve-muscle communication, ensuring your legs respond quickly and accurately. As nerve signals slow with age, choline keeps them sharp, improving coordination and stability. Eggs also supply B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which boost energy, reduce inflammation, and protect muscle cells. Incorporate 1 or 2 eggs daily, boiled, scrambled, or in a veggie omelette. Blend them into smoothies for a protein boost. Consistent egg consumption builds stronger legs, enhances mobility, and supports long-term health. They're affordable, versatile, and one of the simplest ways to stay active and independent. Conclusion: your legs are your foundation, and their strength determines your mobility and independence. Weak legs lead to falls, reduced activity, and a lower quality of life, but you're not powerless. By including these 6 foods, sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs, in your diet, you provide your muscles with the nutrients they need to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free. These foods fight inflammation, boost circulation, repair muscle tissue, and protect against oxidative stress, ensuring your legs remain reliable for years. Which of these foods are you already eating? Which surprised you the most? Share your thoughts below.